Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash, and this is your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF US dollar Swiss franc for 2nd April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 2nd April only. You'll see me on Sunday again with the analysis for the coming week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time, because I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar Swiss franc. As you can see right now, market is trading at 0.9414. This is the current market price. Okay. So let's switch to the 1 week time frame. Okay, this is the weekly chart of US dollar Swiss franc, USD and as you can see, this week market tried to go up, okay, but there was some price rejection, and right now we can see that market has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern with price rejection from above. But if we consider the previous week's candle, we can see that there was some price rejection from below. Market took support at the 50 moving average, went up. Okay, previous week's candle was a bullish candle, and this week we can see that market tried to go up, but uh, could not, it failed. Okay, so overall there is no such resistance available, no such support available as of now in the weekly time frame. Therefore weekly time frame is not telling us any critical, or not providing us with any critical information, so just avoid the weekly time frame, not required. So this is the overall picture of the US dollar Swiss franc. Just clean uptrend, simple clean uptrend. Okay, just look at this trend. Okay, beautiful trend. Okay, so one thing is very clear to us right now, that though in the weekly time frame market is forming a shooting star kind of a pattern, okay, we do not need to worry, because overall the trend of the market is very bullish. Okay, so just avoid the weekly time frame as of now. So this is the present market right now. Then what should be a strategy? Then the strategy is simple. Okay, let me tell you. As you can see right now, okay, market went up and market came down. Okay, and on the higher time frame also there is no such resistance available. Okay, therefore we do not need to worry much. And market, as we can see right now, market is trading support at this particular price level. Okay. Market is taking support at this price level. Before also it took support. Okay, before also it took support in this level, and again it is taking support. Okay, and as you can see here, market is in oversold zone right now. Okay, and 50 moving average is also coming from the downside. Okay, so things are adding up little by little. So what do you need to do? Okay, as you can see right now, market is not giving us a confirmation that yes, I'm ready to go up. Okay, so just wait. Okay, just wait for some time. Okay, just wait for some time and wait for the market to go up. Once you get the confirmation, okay, once you get a confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern or a big green candle like this, you can go ahead and buy. So you can go ahead and buy just above this line or this support. Okay, or if you want a more safer entry, okay, then you just wait for this 50 moving average to come up. Okay, when 50 moving average and this particular support, okay, will combine and will provide combined support to the market, then also you can look for an entry. Okay, once you see a green candle like this, and if you enter here, then what will be your target? Your first target will be this. Okay, your first target will be this level, 0.9470. Okay, 0.9470. Let me write down here, 0.9, oh sorry, 9470. This will be your first target, this level, if you enter here. Okay, as of now, though market is in support, okay, market is not giving us a clear signal that it is ready to go up. Okay, okay, so just wait for some time. Okay, until market gives us the signal, because market is also in oversold zone right now. Okay, it will be going up a little eventually, or you can also wait for the 50 moving average to come and provide the combined support along with the normal support. Okay, so just wait and watch until and unless you get the confirmation. Once you get the confirmation, hit the buy button. Simple. This will be your first target. Yeah. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. And if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay, thank you so much. See you again, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.